Hey guys, we're back at Japan Mobility Show, which used to be called Tokyo Motor Show. Kirk, we're both so excited.
So excited. Well, today's day 2, and that means a whole fresh new influx of vehicles that we didn't see yesterday, including the legendary Century. Now it has been reborn as an SUV.
And the strange thing is, they're not calling it Century SUV, they say it is just Century. But yeah, we all know that this is a shape and the form of SUV. But let's check out the exterior because the quality of this thing is out of this world.
Better than probably any Lexus out there.
Yeah, it's all hand-built at the specialized Century factory. And I've been to the Century factory quite a few years ago, and then they actually demolished that factory to create the Woven City, which is the future of Toyota City. And then now this is built in a different part of the Toyota family of factories. But look at this intricate detail. Look at the carbon fiber thing in here.
You have this striation around the grille that goes all the way around, and then you have something we see from the Lexus lineup, which is kind of this spindle body grille we see in the Lexus RX that is fully solid here. You kind of have this honeycomb pattern, and then you start seeing holes in it for it to feed the radiators, for the air to come through. And then you have the iconic Phoenix here.
Yes, this thing is also hand built, but this is I like this gradient approach better than what I saw on the RX, right? This is like just more subtle. But you still get the grille on the bottom. Look at the quality of the finish, even right to the bottom bumper here. Look at that.
Yeah, the little edge.
Ooh, headlights just came on.
And the headlights, I mean, we can talk about the headlights. You know, we've seen this sort of headlight before. If we look at the Genesis products, like the GV80, for example, which we both really like.
Yeah, we love that model.
It's very almost identical sort of style here, which there you can see them turning on and off, and you see the daytime running lights actually wrap around the individual LEDs for the headlights.
Now before we go too far, if we can get in the back seat right away, we might try to do that. Someone is actually filming still.
People filming back there.
Do that. But also come a little bit closer here, and you know I can't do my measurement tool here in the auto show, but look at this. Now the gap it looks like about 3.1, 3.2 millimeter, but I want to show you. If you put your hand like this, come on, do it.
Yeah, it's completely flush.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can like put a marble here and then just roll across here straight down because
like
it's
those old
level.
Lexus videos, right? From the late 80s. And this piece right here lines up perfectly. You
know the corners? You know these corners?
So we can get on the front if you want to get inside the front.
We got a big, look at the size of the running board.
Yeah, the running boards pop out.
So big.
The striation here and this wood paneling, beautiful.
You know what? You know what? This used to be in some of the high-end Audis in like 5-10 years ago. They used to have a wood that's layered over and over again. So this is really
kind of
cool.
like accordion style. It's very pretty.
Accordion style.
Now, we don't have the huge 14-inch screens in here that we see in the Toyota or the Lexus lineup, but I'm okay with that because nothing's baked into the screen for climate control.
That's true.
So it's all dedicated down here.
It looks longer though. It's longer
No, it's still the 12 inch.
Oh yeah, inside 12.3. Just this part a little bit longer, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
And then a head-up display. It's
Hold
the same
on, Kirk. Just coming back here. These are actually not buttons.
They're touch capacitive.
But you know what? The feel of it is way better. Like you know how some of them has a.
It's not gloss like that glossy finish that gets greasy.
No. What I meant is that you know some of these like I think you find them on some of the Genesis model too. But you touch it and it doesn't quite feel natural. But these ones feel so natural.
Feels good.
And you still get buttons here.
You get the switches, right? And it's got the Nano X filtration technology.
Yeah, super.
Yep. Oh, just look at the materials, David. All the all the way
that.
back here, it's soft touch. You kind of have this sound bar at the top.
Yeah. And the Alcantara headliner all the way through.
Yep.
Even the visor is Alcantara. It's probably hard to see on the video.
You can see.
Oh yeah. Wide angle rear view mirror.
Yeah. You can always spy on people because they can't see you back with the digital camera.
Yeah. Oh, he's picking his nose.
It's so much fun.
So and then this one almost feels like a leather too.
This is soft as well, very premium.
Almost like a leather feel.
Yeah, the only thing that I could say could make this better is if Toyota did some stitching around here.
Yeah, but it's a big space, right?
Big space.
Like why not give us a little bit of like a little tray or something? But
and this is a generic Lexus shifter at this point.
Yeah. Now let's see how big the. So there's a cooler here as an option. But this one, I don't know. This one doesn't have it.
This one, This one is the lower class model without the cooler.
Yeah. So are they coming out of the back?
Chi, can you come on maybe this side
Yeah,
so you can
over
see
there.
the steering wheel? Yeah, let's check out this door real quick and then we'll head to the steering wheel. But got this unique pattern. It comes down, but this is all very high quality. It feels better than the Lexus LX. It's the closest vehicle you can compare this to, even though it shares a lot of the same bones as the new Lexus TX. The TX plug-in hybrid actually has the same powertrain as that with the V6 plug-in hybrid.
You know what's so fascinating is the fact that because most of the North American-based journalists actually did not come back today, they didn't get to see this.
No.
Because yesterday they didn't have this car.
It's worth coming to Japan just for this car.
Just for this.
It's so rare, so beautifully built.
Yeah,
it's going to be around
exactly.
$170,000 if you convert it to US dollars, right?
And then they said that there will be a fully bespoke, I should say, package available where you can even turn it into convertible, because they show a picture of the Century SUV with the top down, and they say, you know what, whatever you want, we'll make it for you.
Yeah, you can make a convertible version of this. Yeah.
They'll engineer it so that you can actually remove the roof if you really want to.
And this is, that soft touch material is in the strangest places, all the way down here around the hood release. And we also have I don't think we noticed this earlier, this is kind of like an aluminum black plastic. I have never seen any other Toyota or Lexus model.
But remember, because it's customizable, you can pick so many different materials.
You can pick a different material there, absolutely.
Now, let's go to the trunk.
Let's go to the trunk.
They're still sitting in the back.
Yeah. All right, how are we going to
sit? I don't know how to do it. Oh, little tiny button. Good catch there.
Yes.
So we still got the two horizontal design.
Yeah, kind of like Genesis still.
Oh, look at the shell.
Even this is premium soft touch, and it does fold up. Check that out. The accordion's up.
Yeah, it's hard shell, right? But it's soft
material, but like a cardboard or almost like a plywood underneath of it.
Very big.
Check this out.
That's the huge center console.
Yeah, so the center console. This is a 4-seater.
Yeah, and this one probably has a cooler there.
Oh, that would make sense.
I think this has a cooler in the back.
I would say it might actually more cargo space here compared to like the Lexus LX Ultra Luxury, which has 4 seats as well. I feel like this is more accommodating.
Not too much space here, just tools, I guess.
Tools, yeah. Oh, but check this out. This is where the charger will go.
Oh, yeah.
Your level 1 charger.
Yeah.
It has an 18.1 kilowatt hour battery, like we see in the RAV4 Prime, for example.
Right. So one thing that maybe not all of you guys know is that this shares the actual platform and the powertrain with a recently introduced Lexus TX plug-in hybrid.
Which you drove recently.
Which I drove, I guess about a month ago. And so think about that. Here's 170,000 US or 250,000 or Canadian, top of the line Century SUV. It's actually sharing the platform, which is underneath, and the powertrain, which is the engine and the electric motors, with the Lexus TX. You know what I mean? That means the TX, which is, that's why I really felt the TX was extraordinary. Like it's just so smooth, so quiet.
Yeah, that plug-in hybrid.
Because it inherited some of the engineering expertise from the Century SUV.
Yeah, and you'll be able to get it in America for about half the price of what this costs.
Yeah, exactly, half the price.
Yeah.
Now, let me think. Look at the, I guess this bumper is just a body color.
And that's something.
But the finish, look at the finish. Just come over here for a second.
It's completely
smooth. It's like the same as the body color. Usually they don't bother painting this part the same way as the body, but it just looks absolutely gorgeous.
And that's something that's unique with the Century SUV. Well, actually, maybe the Century Sedan, but I don't see too many of them in America. Is we have this two-tone action going on. So you have a darker paint color, or this can also come in red, for example. But I believe this stays the same most of the time. But since you can make them bespoke, I think you can even dark out this two-tone piece here at the bottom.
So correct.
Yeah.
I don't want to interrupt the Japanese media too much, but they're not filming, so I'm gonna hop in.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, look at that! It just went opaque. Did you see that?
That's like the Stargazer roof technology.
But what did I touch? Here.
Oh, there it is. So you don't need sunshades anymore.
Oh, this is the opaque. What is it called? I think it's called chromatic. Chromatic something.
Yeah, an electric current runs through it to make it clear, and then it turns off and you can't see through it.
I've never seen it in the side windows.
Yeah, at least not on a Toyota Lexus. Go ahead and go inside.
I'm going to show you the back seat. Yeah, this is cool. I actually have a Toyota person right beside me, whom I should ask a little bit more question, but we have the standard executive level audio infotainment system here, and this is like a little miniature phone that I think it pops out. Here you go, pops out. And it's not a phone, but it's actually a remote control, so I can control also left side, relaxation. I can do massage. Oh, that massage is on. I'll switch with you and you
pop
can
your
feel
legs
it.
up, lean back, and you're going to take a nap already.
How do I recline this seat now? Let's figure out. Left side, temperature. I'm going to lower the temperature a little bit. Well, I'm getting a full massage.
Here, I turned your ventilated seats on from over here, David.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So you get the massage and cool down, because we know how hot it is here at the Japan Mobility Show.
Okay, I'm raising my leg, and I'm going to recline this seat. Okay, I gained a little bit of weight in Japan, so I need to not show my stomach sticking out.
We all have.
Actually, come over here so I can.
It's so nice.
Okay, I'm ready for relaxation now. Oh, this is amazing. But this is a bit awkward. I find I'd rather just be able to control everything by hand. This is a bit awkward.
Which I think you could. I think
yeah,
you could control most of this by hand here. I don't. Oh, there it goes.
Look at
So look at this, David. I'm moving your.
Oh yeah.
I can move it from here.
But
There you
no,
go.
look at this huge table.
Oh, the table pops out. It's like airliner.
It looks exactly like airline. It's a bit small though, actually. I would prefer something from here. But I guess this stays with the seat as it moves back.
So as you move back, it goes with you a little bit.
And look at the big roof panel here as well. Which this stuff doesn't open obviously, but
So there's a handle here which is all felt lined. A little hook here for your, I don't know, below your handbag.
yeah, your handbag for a coat, I guess.
There's also a handle down here. So that's for typical
like an
umbrellas.
umbrella. For umbrellas, yeah.
There's even ambient light. So there's ambient lighting here. It's hard to see, but it actually
There is,
comes
yeah.
into this area right here, right inside.
Yeah. So I'm
It's all the way around the sunroof
I'm
as
gonna
well.
recline you so you can see
All right.
how it is. Ready?
Go ahead.
So
Well,
recline
that
you.
ventilation's quite nice.
And I'm gonna raise the feet all the way. That's max, I think. Is it moving?
Oh, yes, I'm going back.
Okay. Now we can see your stomach as well, so that's good. I'm not so embarrassed anymore.
Well, suck in.
Suck it in. Oh, actually, the seat moved forward a little bit more to give you that additional reclining. But I'm surprised the feet doesn't come up any higher.
No, that's it.
That's not.
That's because of the passengers seat is more front.
Oh,
If this seat
if we
came
move this
forward,
forward, we can move it back. ちょっと見せていいですか? 難しないですか? He's just saying that if we move the front seat forward more, you can stick your feet up more.
Oh yeah, my leg rest is going up more.
Oh, is that?
So my feet will run into it.
How
but
tall are you again?
I'm 6'1".
6'1", so maybe not a typical Japanese.
No, but maybe a little taller. It's totally
Here, Chick, come
comfortable.
over in there and show him flying.
Yeah.
Okay. Go sleep.
So you can
Kirk.
see up my nose, right?
Go sleep. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Got the
Kirk is
massage, the
happy.
ventilation.
Good.
All I
We're-
need is that
So
spa
we need to
music.
take a commercial for 15 minutes while he takes a nap.
All right, how do I get back?
I'm not letting you out.
David, put the seat back.
Okay, all right, okay. Oh, there's one button. One
Oh,
button
there's one
to bring
button.
everything. Yeah.
Ah, perfect.
Oh, cool.
Right there.
That is so cool.
Return to sanity there.
で、いくのボタンで協力できるんですか?
We have a Blu-ray drive down here.
メモリなので、
はい。
こちらを使えないといえば、はい。
あ、そうですか. There's a Blu-ray
There's a
there?
Blu-ray. That's something I
Blu-ray?
wish Toyota would put in the Sienna back home.
Interesting.
Yeah, still have a Blu-ray
Who
down
actually
there.
uses Blu-ray になるんですか?
センチになるので、
まだ使ってるん
ある
ですか?
程度ご高齢の方もいらっしゃると思います。それを残してる。
Ah, you just said some people still like to use Blu-ray, so they're still using it. Well, I like the center tower there. That's really cool.
It's that same sort of wood pattern we saw on the dash
You
up
have enough
there.
headroom, right?
And then can I see these real quick? If we look in the back, we have a little cool box so you can chill your champagne for the campaign.
Champagne for the campaign. So I mean, just turned opaque. Suddenly, I was wondering what happened because you didn't touch the switch, but the other person
It's linked
did.
to the other side.
Yeah, so it both goes. So it's not individually opaque, but let's just close the door and see how it sounds. Oh yeah, nice solid.
It's soft.
Solid.
It's quite soft close.
Doesn't
So,
have soft
yeah,
close.
yeah.
You know what? No, it doesn't have soft
Yeah,
close.
yeah, yeah.
So you do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're not patient enough.
But you know what? Even without that, just like one finger. Oh,
go. There you go.
There's a little delay.
There's a little delay.
You know why? To just make sure that it's like there's no sound. Right?
Yeah, maybe. I've seen other luxury competitors have a much faster, soft closing door, but
I'll ask him if there's anything else to show.
can we show maybe the engine?
Engine 見せてもいいですか? Engine
Oh, darn.
なんか
Acoustic glass.
強度ですね。合成を上げてます。
more to so everything. This is not acoustic, but also to strengthen the body, less more rigidity.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's cool. これは開けられないんですよね. This is fixed. で全部入ってるんですか? それもオプションですか?
あ、もう全部。
So all Century SUV have that.
That's amazing. That's the thing with luxury SUVs. It's always going to be louder than a sedan because you have all the air and vibrations coming from the back cabin. Not only is this fully carpeted, which is going to remove that, but you're sealed off from it.
And I guess also if you stack up suitcases in SUV, that could slide forward, but obviously this will stop that. But it doesn't have a defroster, so it must be the air defroster.
You don't need a defroster. It's inside the car. It's glass inside.
Yeah, well, in the cold climate, you open the thing and both of them will fog up. 寒いところに行くと、これ開けちゃうと両方とも曇っちゃうじゃないですか。
確かに。
それはないんですか? 空気であれでする。
あ、ないです。
Okay, so there's no defroster. Oh, you know why? Because no one in cold climate will probably buy this. It's all going to go to Middle East and some other parts of Asia.
Oh, and they also have a 1500 watt plug-in.
Yeah, 1500 watt. That's
if you
reasonable.
Yeah, it's reasonable.
Yeah.
Yep, typical.
So 420 horsepower PS rating. So what was that in the
406 horsepower for the TX in America.
Yeah, so it's basically the same.
It's the same
horsepower,
thing.
Same horsepower.
Same thing.
I just asked whether we're gonna wrap up here, but whether there's any difference in terms of feel from Lexus TX. Would they share so much platform? He said it's definitely distinct, its own character, and yeah, I guess we'll find out soon. So we're gonna wrap up because we have another project
We're gonna head to Lexus,
film.
yeah.
So let's sign off for now. Really interesting video. More to come. Kirk and David show. Keep an eye on both of our channels. Signing off
See
for
you guys.
now. Peace out.